for the Hinkle Homes Hobby Stocks. The only heat race of the evening. Starting in the back of the field in the number 23, that is Don Briggs Jr. Up one more row on the outside. In the 50, Todd Peterson. Alongside Todd Peterson, your point leader, 24, Dan Walker. Outside row number 2 of the 62, Joe Swanson. Bryson Baird right now on the bottom of a 3 wide. In that 3-car, Bryson Baird, he quickly backs out of it, says heat race. Yeah, I don't need to be here. And up front, leading the way in the number 71, that is Chris Brannon. Right now, Chris Brannon, Joe Swanson, and Todd Peterson with 3-car breakaways. Joe Swanson makes a move up alongside Brannon. Peterson for a moment thought about making it 3 wide going into 1. 3 wide into 1 doesn't usually end up very good. Right now, everything working out just fine. And for Rogers, for Joe Swanson. Brandon now going to slip back to 3rd, and now he's in the clutch with Dan Walker. Peterson took another peek at Swanson as they went into 3. 4 and 8 laps complete. Now there goes Peterson making his move to the inside of Swanson. He's at the quarter panel. Now he's at the door. Going to pull right up alongside. Joe Swanson powers back on the outside as they come off of turn number 4 and battle for the lead. Todd Peterson had him by just a whisper as they came across the line. Now Peterson's going to go by Swanson, and he's going to pull Dan Walker right along with him. 2 laps remain. The 3rd leader of this very short heat race. Only 8 laps. We got 3 different leaders. Dan Walker lurking there. Now, I wouldn't be so sure that he won't make it 4 different times to late this race, but we are on their final lap. Todd Peterson, Dan Walker, Don Briggs Jr., Joe Swanson. There we go a little bit farther back with Brannon and Baird. Your winner, Todd Peterson, followed by Dan Walker, Don Briggs Jr., and then Joe Swanson.